Payment of TDS through online e-payment system is to be done through the department's web portal. The link to this is provided in TDSMAN with the facility to autofill the standard information. This process is explained here. Click on Utilities. Click on Pay Tax Online, Challan 281, Autofill. Select the financial year and company name. Click on Proceed. Click on Yes. TDSMAN will now take you to the department's website for the online payment. The e-payment form will be automatically filled up by the information already available in the system and get displayed. The other information in the form, that is, tax applicable, type of payment, nature of payment, and mode of payment has to be selected. Enter the captcha code. Click on Proceed. Check the details of the filled-up form before submission. In case of any modification, click on Edit, or else click on Submit to the bank. Thanks for your time. Hope you found it useful.